Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the BSS Tech. So today we are starting the new ribbon, second ribbon of PowerPoint called paragraph ribbon. So the first option of paragraph ribbon is bullets. Now simply bullets are used to recognize the sentence when you are writing your sentence in points form, just like this. You can select any type of the bullet you want from here, and if it, like I am selecting this one, this like I am writing something just like now the second point of the bullets is the numbering bullets. If you want bullets in design form, you can select from here, and if you want bullets in numbering form, you can select from this option, and just like in numerals, in English alphabets, ABC points, or if you want in Roman, you can select from here, just like this, or anyone you can select from here like that. So now the third option is of alignments. Just backspace this. Now I am writing some text on it, just like this. Make it there. Now alignments are used to make your text by your choice. Now how you want to make your text comfortable or affordable, just like this. It's left from starting from left alignment. If you want it to center, if you want both sides, just click this like that. If you want it from right side, just like that, right align. And if you want to justify from both sides, you can select this justify, and this will like that. The fourth option of paragraph ribbon is columns. Columns, if you want to make if you want to split your text, or if you want to make into 2 or 3 or more than 3 parts of your text, you can select from here, just like this. If you want 3, or if you want more columns, you can click on more columns. You can edit it, customize by yourself. Now the option of line spacing. What is line? Now line spacing is simply the gap between your words. The 1.0, if you want to make it more, it's like this. 1.0 is the default line spacing. If you want to make more line spacing, click from here, anyone, it will make the gap between your sentences or your words. Now the next option is text direction. Simply text direction is your text type. It's by default is horizontal. If you want to change it, just like this, rotate, stack. More options are there. If you want more text direction, you can click there. So the next option is align text. If you want to align your text top, middle, or bottom, by default is bottom. You can check from here, and if you want more options, click on more options, and you will get more text alignment. Now the last part of paragraph ribbon is convert to smarter. If you are making presentation, and if you want to add picture or any type, if you want to make it more professional, you can simply click on smarter, and you can add graphics from here. These are the graphics of presentations, just like this. You can add picture in this circle, and you can write text there. If you want any type of graphics, you can select from here for your presentation, and if you want more, then simply click on more smart art graphics, and you can select from there. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.